Previously, we explored symmetric encryption, where the same secret key is used for both encrypting and decrypting messages. This method is known for its speed and strong security, making it a popular choice for protecting sensitive information. However, while symmetric encryption is efficient, it comes with its own set of challenges that can't be ignored. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the problems associated with symmetric encryption, focusing on why sharing and managing secret keys is so tricky. Let's start by understanding the core issue: secure key sharing. Imagine Alice wants to send an encrypted message to Bob. For their conversation to remain private, both Alice and Bob must already know the same secret key. But how do they share this key securely? If Alice sends the key over the internet, there's a risk that an attacker could intercept it. Once the attacker has the key, they can decrypt every message exchanged between Alice and Bob. This vulnerability is known as the key distribution problem, and it's one of the biggest obstacles in symmetric encryption. The key distribution problem is a fundamental issue in symmetric encryption. If the secret key is sent over an insecure channel, anyone who intercepts it can decrypt all future messages. This means that the security of the entire communication depends on how well the key is protected during sharing. The challenge grows even bigger when more users are involved, making secure key distribution a critical concern for any system using symmetric encryption. Now let's scale up the scenario. Think about a messaging app like WhatsApp, which has billions of users. It's impossible for everyone to use the same secret key. If a single user or device is compromised, an attacker could read everyone's messages. To prevent this, each conversation uses its own unique encryption keys. This approach ensures that even if one conversation is compromised, others remain secure. However, managing so many keys introduces new challenges. With millions or billions of users, securely generating, distributing, storing, and rotating so many secret keys becomes a massive task. Each conversation needs its own key, and those keys must be kept safe from attackers. If a key is leaked, users need to generate a new one and share it securely all over again. The difficulty isn't in creating new keys, it's in making sure they're shared without being intercepted. This complexity is a major reason why symmetric encryption isn't always practical for large-scale systems. If a secret key is leaked, the users involved must immediately generate a new key and share it securely. The real challenge isn't making a new key, it's ensuring the new key is distributed safely. If the process isn't secure, attackers can intercept the new key just as easily as the old one. This cycle highlights the ongoing difficulty of maintaining secure communication with symmetric encryption, especially as the number of users grows. Symmetric encryption faces three major challenges: securely sharing the secret key, managing a large number of keys, and securely distributing new keys whenever an old key is compromised. Each of these challenges becomes more difficult as the number of users increases. The complexity of key management is a significant barrier for large-scale systems, making it clear that a new approach is needed to ensure secure communication. Solve the problems of symmetric encryption. A new method was introduced: asymmetric encryption. Instead of relying on one shared secret key, asymmetric encryption uses two keys: a public key, which anyone can know, and a private key, which is kept secret. This approach eliminates the need for secure key sharing and simplifies key management, making it ideal for large-scale systems. Asymmetric encryption is the foundation of modern secure communication. Summary: symmetric encryption is fast and secure, but its key management challenges make it difficult to scale. The need to securely share, manage, and distribute keys is a major obstacle, especially for systems with millions of users. Asymmetric encryption offers a solution by using two keys and removing the need for secure key sharing. In the next video, we'll explore how asymmetric encryption works and why it's so important for modern communication.